How to remove payment method from Facebook Ads Manager. So go to facebook.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click your profile icon, which is located on the upper right corner. Now select Settings and Privacy, and then go to Settings. Then you should see this tab here, which says Meta Account Center. So just click the See More in Account Center, and then click Payments option. Now select Ads Payment, and it will direct you to the Ads Manager. You will see this payments method. So under this method, you should see your card. So to remove this, click these three dots or the ellipsis icon, and then select Remove. So this tab will appear confirming your action. So just click Remove, and then click Done. Now that card is gone. And so that is how you remove payment method from Facebook Ads Manager. Thank you and have a great day.